safety zone.
Go save his sunglasses. Save your sunglasses.
Save your sunglasses. Save your eyes.
Yeah, there you go. That's better.
Perfect.
Safety precautions. Wait, who's lighting them?
Torch, get. There's a hole in it.
Oh my God.
There's a hole in that bucket.
That's Nathan's safety plan.
There's a hole in your bucket. Your bucket. Your bucket.
Dear Nathan, there's a hole in your bucket.
Good luck with that.
Oh, Lord.
The whole song.
I was just talking about that song last night.
Uh-oh. All right, here we go.
Bye, brother. I'll go start my car so we can all go to the emergency room together.
We need that advertisement where they're looking up the
That wasn't
nearest
as interesting
clinics,
as I
just,
hoped.
there goes my husband.
Yeah.
This one is on our insurance. How good.
Watch out.
These are the ones that are pretty now.
I know. Duh.
Yeah, it pops and it. Robert, get back.
Robert, don't do it.
Oh, there you go. Right towards him.
Did you get to all of them?
Jeez.
Bye, everyone outside. You might just catch them on fire.
Let's get three crazy men together.
Mm-hmm. 4 blood Tyrees out there.
You know, that must be it.
It doesn't usually end well.
They didn't light well.
Mm-mm.
Maybe 1 or 2.
Oh, Jeremy's phone was there the whole time.